Welcome back to walkthrough number 8, Gym Leader Falkner. So yeah, I forgot to heal my Pokemon, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, take some Pokemon first. There we go. Okay, there we go. Do you guys see these at the side that I'm walking on right now? Those are a little cheap to get to Falkner faster, but I want my Cyndaquil to evolve, so that is why I am battling all these trainers. And he only has one Pokemon, it's not that bad. Level 9 too, and I'm level 13, and I'm going to fight. Peck. Perfect. Level 13. Oops. Hopefully my Cyndaquil will evolve here. Two Pokemon this time. Pidgey, level 7, huh? My Pidgey's higher level than you, ha. Oh, he's burned. That only makes my axe. Awesome. He's dead. Birdkeeper Rod. That's a weird name. Aww. Aww. Come on, hit. Thank you. Tackle. Come on, please be level 14. Come on, please be level 14. Oh, you know what? That's just... Big. Use. Okay, here we are. Leader Falkner. Yeah. Falkner battle. Cool. Falkner. Oh well, I'm not moving around. Let's battle this dude. How much Pokemon? 3? 2. Huh. Sent out Pidgey. Level 9. Awesome. A little bit of a challenge for me. Yes, it hit. A critical hit. Oh yeah. Awesome. Level 14. After this battle, my Cyndaquil is going to evolve into a Quilvera. Pidgeotto. I'm going to keep battling, I think. Watch this. I'll be like level 18. 13, huh? A level lower than me. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. After this fight, yes, he's dead. I just beat the first gym leader. I feel so proud of myself. Awesome. What? Cyndaquil is evolving? Awesome! Congratulations, Cyndaquil evolved into a Clover. Awesome. Zebra badge from Falkner, including trade Pokemon up till the final level of the US question. Enables you to use the hidden move Rock Smash outside Riot. TM51. What's that contain? Will instantly learn a new move. Think before you act. The TM can be learned as well. Contains Roost. Oh, that's a good move. Roost restores Pokemon health. I'm going to take it the easy way. Oh, Zeke, we've discovered something. The details are wild. Carry that egg. System, come on. If I actually can. Okay, now I have to go to the Pokemon. I think it's up here, the Pokemon. Here it is. Okay, because one of Professor assistants is here to give you an egg. The egg from the assistant. Cool. Who's this? Oh, it's a Komodo girl. By the way, that was a Komodo girl. Look at my Quilva. Doesn't he look awesome following me? Quilva is somehow fighting off the sleep. Cool. Want to see something cool? Watch this guy spin around. Whee! Okay. So, we are going to wrap that episode up. We're going to wrap this walkthrough up. So join us next time on Red Likes Pokemon Soul Silver walkthrough. Goodbye and have a good day.